title, our logo. So let's go to the information now. Paragraph, let's add the paragraph. Paragraph is just talking and talking. You just talk however you want. /p, and then this. Some of the questions I will reply them later, guys. Let's push. Let's continue. Let's put some link for maybe for 3 things. For home, maybe for, if we can put for home, for contact, yeah, I think it's fine. A, and then I close A, and then inside the opening A, I put href assigned to inverted commas. Inside the inverted commas, I say home dot html, and outside here I just say home. Okay. Some of people, they might be wondering, what's that? What does that code do? So let's just go to the website and see what that code do. It brings this. Now if you check, when I put the cursor on it, it switches on. When I remove the cursor, it goes off. And then when I put the cursor, there is a pop-up message that comes from down here, and it's a link. If I click it, it has to take me to another page of home, of which we haven't coded it yet. So oh god. Okay, now since this code works, I don't think I have to retype it again. I'll just have to copy and paste. You know me. Copy and paste. Okay, paste. Okay, another one is gonna be for home, another one is gonna be for contact. Contact, let me put it in the capital letters, contact. And another one is gonna be for contact. Okay, let's do by our own head. Home, contact, email. There we go. Oh, forgotten to change also here. Contact, email. Okay, let's save and see if we are winning. Okay, run our website. So we've got these 3 things: contact, home, and email. I think we should just put a dash somewhere here. Okay, let me try and see. There is no shift. Yeah, this one, the lineup to divide bit amongst the links, but yeah, there we go. Let's continue. Hey, Jesus Christ, English, we're lang. Let's continue winning. Okay, they said from there we must also add what? Let's add the they said we should include the navigations. Okay. Okay. Different input controls and buttons were included. Example: button, text, checkbox, and radio button. Input controls are linked and integrated. How many marks is that? 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 3, 11 marks. Yo, jeez, guys, too much of the marks here. So now let's put the, we'll finish by the button. Let's start with the text box, then we'll come to checkbox, and then radio button, and then button itself, it will be number last. All right. The code for this, it's called input type assigned to text. That's for text box. Sorry, my bad. Back here, let me put name. So this text box will take name. And then I'll come up with another one for surname. Surname. And then I'll come back with another one for contact. This to capture the information of a customer. Okay. Now let me copy this input type. Copy. Paste. Paste. There we go. We have got 3 text box. But if we do not put line break, they will be straight in one line. So we'll have to put BR. Okay, I was about to copy BR and then I made a flop. Copy. Okay, let's come back down here. BR paste. BR paste. BR paste. Let's test and see. La. Okay, the text box to carry the information all are here except that the name one, it's in the same line with the menu, of which it mustn't. That means I was supposed to put BR here. There we go. Okay, guys, there we go. Now we've got text box. Let's go and see. To it that we also have got the text box. Where is it? Okay, check box and also radio button. Let's start with the radio button. The radio button. Let's say cache, and then input type assigned to and then we say radio, and then copy, paste it on the, and then this one, it's not cache, it has to be card. So this person, it's either it's paying by cash or paying by card or check. Be creative, guys. Don't do exactly what I'm doing. Be creative. You can make it card, you can make it cash, you can make it check. Be flexible anyhow you can. All right. Just pile the questions there. When I come, I will see to it that I answer. As when I'm answering while we're doing, sometimes we stop. So I'll just check once in a while the questions and then I will reply. If it's not, then I'll come back. Now we did the one for radio button. Let's do one for the checkbox. I don't know. We have done the card cash contact name something and then I don't know. I don't know. Ish. Yeah, let's say what. Um, okay, let's put a heading number 2. Let's put H2. Mm. And then checkbox can be selected. You can select your as many as possible at the same time. So there's to be things that can be selected. Okay, let's just say products.
Okay.
Products. So we'll use checkbox to select products. Of course, product number 1 in this AD. Input type. Input type. Inside the input type, we say what? Checkbox. Okay. Are you with me? Are you behind?
I am.
Okay. Sometimes I forget that I'm coding with the person who code faster than I am. I do. Okay. There we go. Card, cash, product. We have a spade so far. We'll add more products. Okay. I wanted to put what BR between the. Okay, here. Between the customer information and the yeah, the payment option. And that we didn't even put the naming of these other ones, the customer information and the but guys, it's not necessary, but for the beauty of the website, yeah, we can put a heading. Okay, heading 2, heading 2, and then we say customer information. Customer information. Sorry for taking you back, guys. uh Even my spelling of information, I wonder which college I went to. Okay, copy. And also payment option must have its own title. Payment option, payment information, and then payment method, ne? Hey, thank you. Isilungu baba wait. Even as we make mistakes.
This is WhatsApp. I'm just preferring this one.
Okay, let me just save and see how it's gonna be like. Alright, let's refresh. Okay, okay, at least it's nice. It's nice, at least there's some space. Yeah. Mm. Oh, it's radio number 1. We I mean checkbox number 1. We need to put at least 4 more. What kind of a hardware will it be that sell only spade? Jesus. Paste, 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 paste. Eh. Mm-hmm.
Let's choose it around the.
Good question. There are even, I think, 3.
Okay.
So, question: should we use H2 as many as we want. Yeah, you can use as many as you want. You can use H1 as many as you want, H3 as many as you want. It's all about the size. So H2 give us a size that is smaller a little bit to H1. I can decide to go back to H1 or to H3, but I just decided to go with H2 so that it can be the same size. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, from Spade, what can we buy? Spade. Okay, paint. Mm, from paint we can buy gloves, tiles, tiles. Yo, yeah, guys, doing this alone it's hard, but when I'm doing with someone, at least it gets easier. You see, it's easier. I can even give more than 10 items because, yeah, I'm being assisted here. Mm-hmm. Let me test and see. Oh, I forgotten to put the R so that they can go down. They're not bad. Um, anyway, exactly. Who said should they be horizontal or vertical? So anyhow, you can make it. Make it. Just creativity. Okay. After the second one, let me put BR. Myself, I'll put them to two. I'll put them to two. That means I'll have to put item number 6 so that they can go to 2. Okay. What else can I put as an item? Ceiling. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, file. Save. Okay. Here we go. Mine went to two, 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 two. You can make it 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, however you want. Okay, let's just test and see if this thing can work. It can type, can type, can type, can select, checkbox can check. Okay, we good this side. So we are, what left is to add the the button. Oh, the button. I'm gonna name it quotation money. Quotation. And then input type. Yo, guys, I'm typing this low. I'll just hear the keyboard on my side. Yo, I'm under pressure. Put type, submit. Save. Let's go and check the website. Refresh. Okay. Button can click. Yes, you can see it can click. It shows that you can click, but I've forgotten to put the BR. But the good question is, who said you should put the BR? No one. So it's just okay. And then from there, what can we do? All right. We can put another image before we go to the before we can go to the, what we call it, to the footer. And they never said what to put in the footer, so I don't know. We just do as we wish, I guess. Okay. Let's go to where we saved our image that we can upload, our online store. There it is. Okay, what about this one? There we go, another online store. Okay, so this one I'll rename it. Make sure you rename all your pictures so that when you call them in your HTML, you will be able to call them. So this one I'll name it store 1. Okay, this one I'll name it store 2. Rename store 2. Store 3. Where did I do the image? Okay, copy, paste. I just changed the name, store 1, and also the extension is JPEG. Okay, shall I save and test and see? Let's see if the image did upload. There we go, our online store. Voila, so beautiful. Let's see another one. Hey, how sweet is the code when it's working, yo? But when it's not working, you hate this subject. Save. Voila! Woohoo! Are you winning?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. This is it. This is our website. Yeah. So when we do the revision, not based on the ISAT, but based on the previous question papers, I think most of the things I will explain them much, like the CSS. But for now, for the sake of time, I think we'll have to leave our website here, because what we were required to do, I think we did it. Unless if I didn't do all, you will let me know, but I think we did it. Let me just or the footer. I've forgotten the footer, but they never said what to put on the footer. So most of website on the footer, they do the copyright reserved, mostly copyright reserved. And hey, my name is Mzeta Totondo. There we go. done with our HTML. We're going to the JavaScript. All right. Okay. JavaScript it is. Oh, okay. Now we're not done. Let's make a screenshot of the website and paste it on the Word. We must always do that. We must always do that. Okay. Now, how do we make a screenshot of the website so that we paste it on the Word? I'm using Proline, the one that you are given in the college. So the Proline you use button that is written FN and F12. You click them together at the same time, and then, oh God, what did I do? Guys, help me! Something happened. Yee! Jesus! Close. Oh, I didn't do anything. Oh. Okay. Now Control V, paste. Uh-oh. It didn't copy. It didn't make the screenshot. Let's go back to the website. Hey. Hey. I'm wondering what's happening.
Our bean is making you sweat.
Ow! Again, guys. I'm not sure if you're seeing what I'm seeing. It's not making a screenshot. For the last time, let's see. Okay, Control V. Ow, guys, no, I give up. I give up. It's not making a screenshot. It's not. But this is how it does. Maybe I guess it's the new update of the Windows. Oh, okay. Wait. I didn't read here at first. I only. Okay, it's showing camera snip. The problem is I've never done these. What if I click it and then maybe it's doing the video? What instead of the screenshot? But anyway, Windows full screen. What? Okay, full screen. Do you think it is taking the screenshot? Paste. Hey! New thing. Okay, let's crop. Let's crop our website. Okay, we go to format and then crop. Hey, I'm leaving you behind.
No, it's just doing stuff.
You found that by the time that I'm struggling to make a screenshot, you were done already.
I made a screenshot.
Guys, I'm working with geniuses here.
Yeah, but
They're even ahead of me, the teacher. Yo, Jesus. Eh? Footer. You can choose. You can put your ID number. You can put your name on the footer, or else you can go with copyright reserved footer. Okay, that's the first screenshot of our website. Now let's go and make the second screenshot. Yo, Jesus. Yeah, these new updates can give one a headache. Headache is small, a heart attack. So FN, print screen, you leave it. It do this, that is doing new things. We go up there. You click this one, guys. It's written rectangle. I'm learning it. You are also learning it at the same time together. Click it. It says full screen. Full screen. Kaka. It took the screen shot. What a selfie. We go back to our Word. We paste our screenshot. There we go. And then we go to, we click our image, and then we go to format, and then crop. Okay, and then we crop our website. Yeah, let me leave it like this. They will see that it's me. Okay. So yeah, what we have done so far, it's subtask number 1, the title of our storyboard, the information about the storyboard number 1, storyboard number 2 showing how the app will link from one page to another. That is subtask 1. Then subtask 2, we created a website using HTML. There we go. There is our website. And then now it's time to go for subtask number 3, which is JavaScript, the one that students hate the most. Yo, I failing to do it, which ASA. Okay, just hold it, guys. Let me assist this genius that I'm with to do the screenshot.
Okay, mine I right click with this option is screenshot.
Is it so?
But then what is this?
Capture full page.
Okay. I did
This
full
genius.
page and then.
Eh? Did you go to the word?
No, you're that. The full page is that. This is why I was drawn.
We are learning new things today. I guess.
See that? There's none of that screenshot.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Should I?
I don't know. No, this is okay.
Today.
If the 10,000 okay.
Okay, did you saw where we saved the screenshot? It saved where?
Downloads, of course, they were here.
And then here, we go to the downloads, and then we come, we paste it. Yo, go to the download before I go somewhere and see things.
Yeah, nothing's in location.
Yeah. No, we don't open it, you just copy it.
Okay, I thought you were aiming to open it.
Yeah, it's okay. Copy. Then go to the word. Paste. This genius.
No, what's a deal,
But I figured it out by my own.
Technology.
Yo, guys, I hope your computers are not giving you a challenge the way it's giving us this side, eh? Because I'll watch it. Task 3. I'm behind. I'm ahead of a genius now. Function now. No, if your website, when you debug it, it take more than a page. In one page. Wow, that's good. Mine, it wasn't in one page. You know, the computers of geniuses. It's not like ours. Yeah. Functional process. Functional process on web application. There we go. Subtask number 3. 40 marks, guys. 40 marks. 40 marks. 40 marks. Now we go to our notepad, please. Let's go together. Are you almost done?
I'm done.
Okay. No, you don't close it. You go to this positive what called this one to add the new tab. So we add the new tab.
Where do I find it?
Yeah. This.
Okay, cannot put it.
Yeah. Yours doesn't have.
I'm sure I won't.
Yeah. Genius. Oh. I won't say it out loud. What's my line? It's best to close and open again. So this one, you don't close and open. Sorry, Askis. So guys, if you're not paid, it's not like it doesn't have that positive what? Oh Jesus! Upgrade. Move with time. Use the latest one. So, but in the meantime, for now, you can just close and open again.
It's not even fun.
Oh, Askis. Hey. Now, 40 marks. What are we doing for these 40 marks? They're saying the JavaScript section contain at least 4 different functions. Sorry? Okay, that's good also. Each function had a particular purpose with reference to the business logic. Okay, and that's 2, 4, 8 marks already. Yeah, it must be saved as an HTML. Okay. Guys, JavaScript it's saved as an HTML as well. Use a function utilize parameters to okay, incorporate a rotation structure, incorporate conditional structure, perform some form of IO, basic arithmetic, okay, utilize parameters. They're just talking some English, guys. Okay, a function was added to facilitate the user input validation. That's HTML, JavaScript for you. It's all about data validation. So we say HTML, close HTML. Okay, and then on the opening HTML, I need to come and say, what do I say again? Java. What's that thing again? Oh Jesus, going back to school is hard. Myself I've forgotten about JavaScript now. We say what? Script type assigned to. Hey guys, before I make any mistake and I confuse you, let me just give me 1 minute. Let me look for my book and then I give you the correct code for JavaScript. Or if anyone live there, it's remembering that code, you can just type it on the comment quickly. I do not want to give the wrong information and something that is going live. Even my stupid have forgotten the code.
Need to be reminded of.
Jesus Christ. JavaScript, ways of JavaScript, okay. I was even doing it at the wrong place, you see. Yo, Jesus, my apology. So we leave the HTML thing alone, and then we come down here. It's pity that even the students that I'm with.
No, I wasn't here when you typed that.
Really? Okay, it's fine. I'll get you. /head. Wow.
I mean, who does that? Why were you even writing?
Okay, fine. Fine. My apology again, guys.
Yeah, it happens. You know.
Yeah, ne. Okay, we say what? We open script and then we close script. You see how far I was lost.
Yeah, at least I told you to write the stuff.
You told me. Yeah. Sure. Fine. Mm-hmm. On the opening script, I was supposed to say space. Script type, but at least with the script type, I got it correct. Script type, assign. That's where I was going wrong. Text, mm, /Java script. Okay. Okay, and then inside our JavaScript, we give it a name. Radar hardware. Okay. Let me check with the live ones. Did anyone commented on how to do it? So guys that are online who just came now, what is happening is so far we have done uh, our subtask 1 and subtask 2 of our reviewed iCase. We did subtask 1, we did the storyboard, we gave the title of it, the information about it. We downloaded some storyboard pictures. We came and we paste. If you want to download them, you go online, you search web application storyboard, you download, and it must be two: the one for the storyboard to identify the problem and solving it on how it's gonna be used, and then the second one, it has to be the one that shows how the web application will be working from one screen to another, to another, to another, to another, while the person is clicking. And then subtask number 2, we created the website. It has got our title, our logo, the information, the menus, the customer information to input on the text box. We have got the payment option that you will select on the radio button, the one for card and the one for cash. And then also the products that are being sold inside the store, whereby you will select them using a checkbox. This is it on our website. If you want, if you can see, this is it. It's clickable, it can be clicked, the button submit, the text box to input the information, the payment method, can click the logo. So yeah, that's it guys so far. Also the code, I'll make it available for you guys. The code is here. This is the code that we have done so far under the HTML. Now we are just starting the JavaScript. We are on the JavaScript. So don't be lost. Feel free to ask any question. Feel free to ask any question now. Where is that question paper again? We're doing reviewed ISAT level 4. It's the continuation of what you have been given in your colleges. So we are in subtask number 3, functional process of web application. Now, what is JavaScript all about? JavaScript, it's all about data validation. Data validation, there are 2 data validations that I've been telling you and teaching you about all along. It's if it's numeric and if it's They forgotten already.
So this deal, I forgot that Manakore is nothing.
I did not hear you.
Because I was not sure of what I'm saying.
Hey, you should be sure. So yeah, let's get done with the JavaScript. So now we go to the body. The body. / we close our body. Okay. Our function. Function. Vajeda. Hardware. Vajeda hardware. And then brackets. Guys, don't write Vajeda hardware. Your lectures will catch you. Write write your own thing. Because you guys, when we teach you things online, you go and you use them as it is. So please, guys, write the way you understand it. Okay? Now, how do we declare? We say var. So we are going to declare all those input. Var name, var surname, var contact. Was it contact or email? Contact, yeah. And then var on that radio button we said cache, var card. Thank you. Yo, Jesus, I think we gave ourselves a lot of work. Var spade, all those other things. Yes, yes. What was I doing? Tiles. Var sailing. Var paint. But the question paper never said we should do all of them, though.
Let's just do them.
Hey.
Tell her what they did.
For the sake of marks. Hey. One last. What did I forget? There's one last that I've forgotten. So it's a spade, paint, gloves, and tank. Jesus, there were 6, not 5. I'm killing myself here. Var tank, var gloves. What was I doing? So after declaring, from ISD, PCP, CP, we declare and we assign. And then how do we assign? Hey, somebody answer me. Okay, name. Assign to get element by ID. Is this long?
Yeah, this one is rough for us.
Oh, get element by ID. Eh? What left? Yeah. What did I left?
Okay, type.
Help me remember. I think we end here. Oh. Now get element by its type.
No, I was using a different method there.
Oh, guys, JavaScript has got a lot of method. There's that one that you do also. Hey. Yeah, I remember document dot what? Hey, so which one are you going with? Myself, I normally use this one. So depending on the one that you enjoy, the one that you were given at school. So the one that I'm using, it's in page 308. topic 6, page 308 in your CP level 4 books. Yeah, the get element by ID. Yes, this is the one I'm using. So if you are using that other one, use. Problem is when you have forgotten it and it's time for you to remember it and it's not coming to the mind. Yes. Imagine this one, it's easy. So you have been using all along the yeah, you see. So yeah, myself I use this one. So yeah.
What happens if that's the assigner panda when the declare? Is it wrong?
Okay.
Maybe
A good question.
What?
Yeah, also that one it's allowed. If you check the previous question papers, there are time whereby they will say declare and assign. That means you're doing it in the same line.
Okay.
But then sometimes it says declare only. And then another question came says assign. Okay. So for the sake
of time, we're copying this and paste, then assign.
Yeah, we can go with declare and assigning at the same time. Okay, yeah, that's fine. But then if we're declaring and assigning, after the equal sign, we must say document dot. Document dot. Then we say var document dot. If you okay.
Okay, why not continue with the way you were doing?
Come on. You were just asking. Hey, you're asking, it's not right. Okay, guys. Any method is fine, eh? Okay, let me use different methods. Maybe for the first, I will stop on the spade, and then on the remaining one, I will use different method, whereby you declare and then you assign later. This is the method that when the question paper says declare and assign, then you declare and you assign. But then if it doesn't say declare and assign, but it says declare only, you use var and then the name of what you are declaring. So then we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 that I've declared and they're not yet assigned. That means when we come down here, it's ceiling. Let's see, we start with ceiling, then assign to, and then we say assign to copy get element by its ID. This is what we do. And then we say paint. Yeah, I think it's good that we know all the method in case when you are in the exam. And then we do the tank. And lastly, gloves. There we go. I have declared, I have assigned. We almost done, guys. No, when you assign, you don't say var already. Isn't that if you check up here, I've already done var ceiling, var paint, var tank, var gloves. Then when we come down here, we just say ceiling and then we assign.
Okay, noted.
All right.
What?
Student that I thought is still having idea of what's is happening and no idea.
I have no idea.
You're not representing. How? God, okay.
Remember, it's my first time doing this thing.
Is it?
Kamba CP, unlike you,
Let's leave Bangwe. You yourself. Oh my God. Guys, yo. This 100 these 40 marks, it's somehow these 40 marks, they're not opened, they're just using their own crazy English. Yo, imagine a function was added which implement an alert statement. They just have to tell us that we should use the alert code to alert the user if done any mistake. Simple. And then they're making it difficult with their English. Integrated of functions and events. Each function was correctly integrated and linked to an event control of the business page. Ow, too much. Let's do the data validation. How do we do the data validation? Name, assign to. If name, because it's a data validation. If name, assign to, and then if you remember during the ISD when we were coding the button clear, we would use also this code. If you can remember, we write the name of the text box that we want to clear, and then we assign it to inverted commas. It goes and clears. That means nothing. So same applies here. If name, it has got nothing inside, then alert the user. Yo, Jesus, I'm typing inside. Then alert.
Do we have to write them?
Okay, there are many words. There is prompt.
No, I mean then. Not alert. Then you wrote there.
Yeah. Uh-oh, my laptop is running low.
The other brackets, the weird one.
The caliber raise. The weird one. Yes, we do the. We let's go with the one that we've been using. It's not to confuse the people. You know, the good part about the JavaScript is that I've been always saying there are many ways to write the code. You mean this one, the weird one? Yeah, let's go. Let's go with the. Yo, hey, Jesus Christ, the weird one. Where is it? There we go. And then I wrote it in the wrong direction. It has to be opening. It's opening. And then thank you for bringing this up. These ones that we created, that we declared and not assigned, we must put the yes, this is the
why does not assign
JavaScript law. We assign them here.
Okay,
One method.
Yes.
Yeah, I used different methods so that people won't be confused. So guys, I've forgotten to put this. This is JavaScript standard. You must always have this. Must always have this. It must always have this. It must always have this. All right.
Oh, that's the thing.
Yeah. Except when we come to data validation down here. So I've opened this one. I must also close it here before I forget, because myself, I know I forget a lot. Okay, now prompt the user. What must prompt the user to do? The user must be prompted to input name inside. Yeah, you can use alert here, you can use prompt, you can use there are a lot of ways. Yeah, others are not coming to my mind for now. But yeah, prompt alert. I'll tell you of the others as time goes by. Now we are done with the data validation of text box name. Let's come to text box name. You forgive me, guys, if I don't do all these things. I mean, is it worth the marks? So name, paste. Contact. No. Chichu. Semicolon. Oh god.
Just let me be.
Hey guys, we have taken long now. We need to finish. Must finish. We must finish now. So I've done the data validation for the first 3 text box. So I'll do one for radio button and one for checkbox, and then be done. Okay. So the radio button, if cache, if I forget, I must put 2 of them. If n cache, prompt.
Hey, bracket here like that, right? And we run the dance as one more screen.
Ndoivula, ndoivala. Oh, the screen, it's not.
Yes, it's not screen.
The screen is not screen. It's not me, it's the laptop.
Okay, the laptop is not laptoping.
I give up, shame. Yo, guys. Okay, now like this, I hope it's fine.
Okay, it's bad. Not okay.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
How you did the IT?
Hey, Jesus. Prompt.
His name inside everywhere.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yo. I've forgotten. Yes. If I was alone, yo, this is what I normally do. Contact. Okay, if cache and then prompt invalid input. Invalid input. If it's numeric, that means then then I must also do for the one for the checkbox. We have got some spades and asks. Spade.
Okay, we are leaving cash alone.
Oh, you want to do cash and card?
No.
Do both.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's a way of making code long.
Cash it was up.
Isn't that cache? It's not text box. It's a radio button. Yeah, that's why it's not like the this one. Did I not put the weird brackets? I did
You
put.
did. Yeah, I'm just asking logic.
And also here. Okay. Okay. And the phone. Just for
Do
my.
we really have to do cash?
Do we?
I don't know.
Imagine a customer have done everything and then it's saying submit without knowing that the customer will pay by cash or card.
Okay.
So we really have to. You see now, they're saying formatting and comments. The JavaScript code was neatly formatted. They know that there are ways of doing these things, so you might do it the messed up one, the neatly one. Yeah, and then I thought there's a marks for comment. Explanatory comment were added. 4 marks. We need these 4 marks for comment, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm going back to body. Sorry, it's just that this one of comment, it's down here when we are about to finish. So how do we put the comment on JavaScript? We said /. I don't know what do they call that thing. I know, but I forgot it. They call it I forgot it. Apprentice parenthesis, something like that. It's like a star. If you know what I mean, it's like a star. Yeah, it's in button 8. So the comment, the first one is creating function. So we were creating function. Now here the comment is gonna be I must copy this thing so that when I go down I just paste. So now inside here on this one we were declare the variables and assigning them. So here we declare and we assigned, but here we only declared. So we will say declaring the variables, and then here we will say assigning the variables. So we used 2 different methods. Assigning the variables. There we go. And then after assigning the variables, we do the data validation. Data validation of nothing on input and invalid input. Those are the comments. There we go. Hey, genius. So now guys, this is it. This is our HTML. This is our
Can we go back to Java?
JavaScript. Yeah, we on JavaScript.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Why upward was paid bit?
Okay. Do the rest, guys.
No, I'm just asking.
I only did one.
One.
Yeah, but
Did cash.
yeah. So the ISAT never said we should do all.
It said what?
But if you want to bribe your way to the lecture's heart to get more marks, do all.
Do it, I'm sure more. I might,
But they never said we should do all. So
it's just an innocent act.
utilize parameters 2 marks for using different parameters for at least 2 different functions. Okay. So they never said all. JavaScript section contained at least 4 different functions. Each function had a particular purpose with a different. So at least 4.
At least 4.
Yeah. So at least means if you did the smallest number, it has to be 4. And already under our functions, we did more than 4. Name, surname, contact, cash, spade. That's 5.
Okay.
I mean, but do more. Do more. Okay, guys. I think this is it. This is it. This is that 100 marks. This is that 100 marks. So yeah. Yeah. This is that 100 marks. I'll be starting to address the questions now. Pose the questions, then I start to answer. Also for these files, you will get them. I will make them available for you guys. I'll be waiting for question. No, they never mention about the footer under the JavaScript.
Okay.
They never mentioned. But you never know with the geniuses, eh? They do everything.
So none if I have to make a screenshot or a printer?
No, this one you can choose either print your printer from the notepad, or you copy this code and you paste it on the Word and you print. It's just that when you paste it on the Word, it will show errors, but when you print, those errors don't come out.
Okay.
So my advice is that print using notepad, because if you print using
we don't even add a title or something.
JavaScript.
Yeah, so where do I write my ID or my name somewhere here?
You write it as a comment.
Why?
You write it as a comment. You choose. You can put it on top. As long as you use those signs for comments.
Okay.
So I was thinking of changing the colors of the background and everything, but because when you print it will be in black and white.
Yeah.
You see. So I don't think there is a need for doing that, unless otherwise you want to, learn us in the lectures. Before I spill the beans, let me be quiet. Guys, that's it. This is where we are ending. So if you have got question, you will ask. We have got Hamukelo Moloto. Bro, can I ask what's your take on the new NCV course, robotics and programming? Will you provide assistance on it? Robotics and programming. I hope you, by robotics, you mean I haven't done it, but let's just say during the school holiday, I will go through it, and then next year I will be teaching it. Thanks for your question, Hamukelo. I will be teaching it. Another question. Don't panic, guys. There's nothing that I cannot code. Do not worry. You are safe. So yeah, thank you so much. I think we need to end our live session here. All right. Hey, Jesus, the entire lecture can't end the live session. Look at this. Right. This is me now. Thank you for the questions. It's okay. Another question. All right. All right. All right. We'll be doing the revisions online, but we won't be doing it like this. I will have to be sharing a screen of the laptop so that you can see the code clearly. And also expect what we call it, not just only live, but also expect an online classes whereby I will be giving the interface and then we code together, showing you while coding, and I'm also be coding. You share the screen, I share the screen, you see what's on my screen, I see what's in your screen, and then we assist each other where there is an error or a mistake. All right. All right, thank you so much. Okay, any other question? Stop streaming.